Okay, so we are back again. So on our last video, we saw how we can group our objects by their name. So now I want to assign random material colors to a, a single color on the cube on the cylinders, another color on the cubes, and another color on the spheres. So how can we do that? So okay, I will combine them right now. Combine. This is combine. Okay, combine. I delete the string. Okay. So this is one object. This is another. This is another. So okay. Let me show you. If I hide this one, if I go to our material attributes, this is Lambert one. This is also Lambert one. This is also Lambert one. We don't have any materials here going on. So how can we assign one, two, three materials to three of our objects? Okay, that's easy. If we go to our script and okay, here it is. Create materials from their name with random color. So we will be creating our materials based on our names. Okay, if I copy the script here and if I copy paste it here. Okay, so I want to assign a material to our cylinder. So P cylinder 1. Okay, I copied this. Our object starts with P cylinder 1 and I think yeah, everything is set. So we have Lambert assigned and we don't have to worry any of them. So if I run the script, boom, this is a green material. And if I show you the material name, this is P cylinder 1 underscore M. See? Okay, if I go to the cube, so we have to replace the name here. And if I run the script, boom, you see? This is P cube 1 underscore M. Same name from the outliner. If I run this one, this is Lambert 1 currently. Okay, boom. This is P sphere 8, P sphere 8 underscore M. M means material. There you go. I hope this Python script will help you in your workflow and speed up your workflow. Okay, I will share the script link on this video, on every video, so you can use it and speed up your workflow. Okay, bye.